Hello and welcome to San Jose City College. We are excited to have you join the Jaguar family, and we'd like to help by providing step-by-step instructions on how to submit an application for admission. Before we get started, you'll need the following information for the application. You'll need a valid email address, your mailing address, and your phone number. Once you've gathered that information, we can go ahead and get started. Start by going to www.sjcc.edu. Once you're on the home page, scroll down and select New Student, Apply Now. You'll be redirected to the Apply Now page where you'll need to scroll down and select the yellow box that says Now. Click here to apply online. You'll be redirected to the CCC Apply page. This is where you'll create an account or sign in. If you've already created an OpenCC account when you applied to another California community college, you'll need to use your existing username and password. If San Jose City is the first California community college that you are applying to, please select Create an Account. Once on this page, select Begin Creating My Account on the bottom left. Begin by entering your first name, middle name, and last name. Please indicate if you do not have a first name or middle name by checking the box below. Please indicate if you have a suffix, and select yes or no if you have a previous name such as a maiden name, or if you have a preferred name that is different than your legal and/or previous name. In this section, you'll need to indicate the month, day, and enter the year that you were born. Next, please indicate if you plan to apply for admission to college or financial aid. You'll need to select this box. Please scroll down and indicate the type of number you'll be using for your application. You can use a Social Security number or a taxpayer ID number. Please enter a Social Security number or taxpayer ID number in this box. You'll need to re-enter it in the box below. If you do not have a Social Security number or taxpayer ID number, or you decline to provide one at this time, please select this box. Once you finish, select Continue. On page 2, please enter a valid email address. Please make sure to enter an email address that you check regularly. This will be the email address that you will receive important messages, including information about college admission and registration. Next, you'll need to indicate a telephone number and also select if you authorize text messages to the telephone number above and accept responsibility for any charges that result. Next, you'll need to enter your permanent address. Begin by putting your street address, city, state, and zip code. If your permanent address is outside of the United States, please select this box. Or if you have no permanent address because you're currently homeless, you will need to select the second box. On the final page, you'll need to create a username and password. For your username, please make sure that it is at least 6 characters and only includes letters, numbers, and special characters. For your password, it'll need to be 7 to 20 characters and only be letters and at least 1 number. You'll need to create a 4-digit personal identification PIN for your account. Please make sure to enter it twice to ensure that it is typed correctly. Next, you'll need to select 3 security questions to be answered in the case that you forget your username or password, or if you want to change your password or PIN. Please make sure that the answers to your security questions are all different. Once you're completed with your security questions, please select the I am not a robot box and complete the image activity. Once finished, select Create My Account. Once you've successfully completed your account, you'll be given a CCC ID and you'll be given an option to continue to the application. Once you're ready to begin the application, select Continue. You'll be redirected to an introduction page where you can start the application by selecting the Start Application button in the middle top half of the page. Begin by selecting the term that you're applying for, what your educational goal is, and your intended major or program of study. This page will ask you questions related to your account and mailing information. Please review the information you provided when you created your account. This includes your full name, your permanent address, your phone number, social security number, email, and date of birth. Next, you'll need to indicate if your mailing address is the same as the address you provided when creating your account, or if your current mailing address is outside of the United States. Next, you'll need to indicate what your gender is. You can select from female, male, or you can decline to state. Then you'll need to indicate if you consider yourself transgender. You can select yes, no, or also decline to state. Next, indicate what your sexual orientation is. You can select from straight, heterosexual, gay or lesbian, homosexual, bisexual, other, or you can decline to state. Regardless of your age, please indicate the education levels of the parents and/or guardians who raised you. If you weren't raised by a parent or guardian, or if you're unsure about the educational levels of your parents and/or guardians, you can select unknown or no parent or guardian raised me. You'll need to do the same for parent or guardian too. Next, please indicate if you are Hispanic or Latino, and also what your race is. You are able to check more than one. Once complete, go ahead and select Continue. Next, please let us know what your college enrollment status will be as of July 1st of 2018. Will this be your first time in college after leaving high school? Will this be your first time at San Jose City College, but you've attended another college? Or will you be returning to San Jose City College after being absent for a main term? Next, please let us know what your high school education level is as of July 1st of 2018. If you are a high school senior, please indicate the date that you will be graduating this spring. If you're unsure about the date that you graduated, please do your best to estimate a date that best represents your graduation date. Next, please let us know the last high school you attended. You can select from I attended high school, I was homeschooled in a registered homeschool organization, I was independently homeschooled, or I did not attend high school and I was not homeschooled. If you select I attended high school or I was homeschooled in a registered homeschool organization, you'll need to indicate the country and the state that the school was located at, and then enter the name or the city of your high school or homeschool organization. Next, let us know your college education level as of June 17th of 2018. You can select from no degree, received an associate's degree, or received a bachelor's degree or higher. And lastly, please specify the number of colleges you've attended, including those that you are currently attending. Next, please let us know what your citizen status is. You can select from U.S. citizen, permanent resident, temporary resident, refugee, or student visa, or other. If you select student visa or other, you'll need to indicate the visa type, the visa issue date, and the visa expiration date. You can also select no documents and that there is no expiration date for your visa. Lastly, please let us know your U.S. military status as of June 17th, 2018. Next, you'll need to answer yes or no to a series of questions related to your residency. Once completed, please select Continue. Next, please let us know if you're comfortable reading and writing English. Also, select yes or no if you're interested in receiving information about money for college. And select yes or no if you're receiving TANF, CalWORKS, SSI, or General Assistance. TANF stands for Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. CalWORKS stands for California Work Opportunity and Responsibility to Kids Program. And SSI stands for Supplemental Security Income. In the next section, please let us know if you're interested in participating in a sport while attending college. If you're interested in playing at the intercollegiate level, please select the first option. If you're only interested in intramural or club sports but not playing at the intercollegiate level, please select the second option. If you're not interested in participating in sport beyond taking PE, select the third. Next, check the programs and services in which you are interested in. Once complete, select Continue. Next, you have the option of completing a series of supplemental questions. Please answer yes or no if you are dependent of your parents, how many family members are living in your household, check your family household's taxable income, and then select yes or no for questions 4 through 14. Lastly, select yes or no if you've attended an adult education school. If yes, you'll need to enter the high school name below. Also, you'll need to indicate the date that you last attended. On this page, you'll need to review the request for consent to release information. Upon reviewing, please let us know if you consent or do not consent. Once you've made your selection, press continue. You'll now need to review your application. Please confirm your application is complete and that all the information you provided is accurate. Once you reviewed your application, select I have reviewed this application and confirm it is complete and accurate. Next, please review the following information. Please note that you are about to submit your application to San Jose City College. Once you submit your application, no changes can be made. Please read the information on this page, and once you're done reviewing, please check the following 2 boxes. Once you've checked the boxes and you are ready to submit your application, please select Submit My Application down below. Once you submit your application, you will be redirected to a confirmation page that has information regarding your application. Please note that the CCC ID number that is indicated on the confirmation page is not the same as your student ID number that San Jose City will provide you. You can expect to receive an email from San Jose City College Admissions and Records within 3 days that contains your next steps and also your student ID number. If you do not receive an email within 3 days from San Jose City College Admissions and Records, please contact them using the information below. Once you're finished reviewing your confirmation, select Continue at the bottom and complete the application survey. Once you complete the application survey, please be sure to sign out in the top right-hand corner of the web page. Once again, thank you for submitting your application for San Jose City College, and we look forward to having you here as a Jaguar. Go Jags!